Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Today we are doing a simple clean girl makeup tutorial. So go get a coffee, matcha, water, whatever your drink of choice. Sit back and relax and I hope you enjoy. Bye!
묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못했을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you wanna leave me for another Thought it was all make-believe 아직 몰랐던 아픔들이 곧 따라오네 맹목적으로 너를 믿은 나 결국 다 어리석은 생각 Now I know what it means to be foolish So 나의 예상 못했지 Clueless 두 한쪽에 눈물 흘러 행복해보고 싶었었지 시간이 갈수록 baby I still see 다시 돌아보고 있는 너 내 맘을 자꾸 흔들어 왜 어차피 끝인 걸 아는데 그래도 오직 너만 필요해 어차피 이별은 다 똑같아 상처를 받고 날 기대 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 I can be your shield and cover for the rain Let you put your head on till the pain will go away But what we got isn't real, yeah, it's fake Cause you keep getting hurt on your own without me, babe The timing wasn't on our side when we lost it Both of us were always trying to be optimistic But we struggled to find what was meant to be important Yeah, we kept getting hurt, tired and exhausted It costed, what did it cost? Everything Man, I need a magic bullet straight through my head Damn, wanna be in a better place What I would do to be able to hate instead of staying up late Remembering every inch of your face 행복해보고 싶었었지 시간이 갈수록 baby I still see 다시 돌아보고 있는 너 내 맘을 자꾸 흔들어 왜 어차피 끝인 걸 아는데 그래도 오직 너만 필요해 어차피 이별은 다 똑같아 상처를 받고 날 기대 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해
Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah, you. Thank the gods I found you. Yeah, proof. Those who wait never. I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you there in my reflection. You're a part of me, and it's in peace. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah, hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dream life. Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Let's pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe haven while the outside world just keeps fading. Oh, cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. That's where in fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary world. Can you imagine for me? I'm building a world nobody can get to. Put up a fence so I finally get to. Take a deep breath, sit back and relax. Building a world nobody can get to. Put up a fence so I finally get to. Take a deep breath, sit back and relax. I love it in the imaginary world. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? 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 Yeah. Oh.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation.